Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a gallery. Many search engines, such as Google, MSN, Yahoo, and others, have their own image galleries. You may have noticed that regardless of the image gallery, the interaction pattern is similar, allowing users to switch between images in a slideshow format. This interaction pattern is chosen because it provides a convenient and intuitive way for users to browse through images. Next, let's set up the widgets. First, drag an image widget for the hero image, adjust its size, and then drag a box. Duplicate the large image widget. Set the background selection style effect of the small image. Adjust the color and width of the border. Import images. Group the small image with its background, then duplicate more small images. Create them as dynamic panels. Adjust its size. Then drag in the boxes and arrows to make the left and right buttons. Name the dynamic panel scroll and import more images. Let's set up the interactions. Select the small image group and add a click interaction. Select this and set the image of the large image to that of the small image. Other small image groups are also set in this way. Then select the arrow button on the left, add click interaction, and move the X coordinate of scroll by -182. There is a bit of a problem with our settings here, because what we need to scroll is the content inside the scroll dynamic panel. Go into the scroll dynamic panel and create its contents as a dynamic panel. Delete the name of the scroll dynamic panel. Name the internal dynamic panel scroll. We need to scroll it. Drag the x-axis of the scroll panel to see where to scroll to. Then add a boundary to the move action of the left button, set left to be greater than or equal to -691, and change the target to scroll. Select the right button, add click interaction, move the X coordinate of scroll by 182, set left to be less than or equal to 0. Then set selection group for all small image groups. Preview the prototype. Click the small image, and you can see that the large image also switches to the same image. Click the left and right arrow buttons to see the small image scroll left and right, and can only scroll within a certain range. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.